According to crypto bubbles, baby Dogecoin is down for the week 2%, for the day 5%, for the hour 1.4%, and Floki Inu is down for the week 3.8%, for the day 4.7%, and for the hour 0.85%. But for the year, Floki Inu is up 170%. That means more than 1x, and for the month is up 24.9%. In today's video, I want us to look at what hold these two bad boys, Baby Dogecoin and Floki Inu, what we might expect this week, next year, because we are already in December, by the way. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year in advance to all of you guys. Yeah, who are part of my platform. If say you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas to you in advance. As we approach the New Year, I want to believe this year has been an amazing year so far. We don't expect more awesome stuff to come next year, 2025. So I believe these two bad boys, Baby Dogecoin and Floki Inu, can really make us smile in 2025. Of course, we have to pay attention to what the market is going to be showing us, because as long as we want these coins to pump, but we have to at the same time look at what the charts are saying. If say it's a time to pump, or maybe you just have to keep going sideways and waiting for the right time to come. So in today's video, I want us to analyze these bad boys and look at key areas where, if say the breakout structure, how far they might go. If you're new on this platform, you are watching the Buttons Crypto. Yeah, I create content that helps you understand market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, when to sell, when to take out profit. If say you're buying any coin and you don't know when to take out profit or when to exit, then my friend, you are making a big mistake in this bull market. And if say you want to stop making such mistakes, then the thing you must do is be part of my VIP community, where I share with you my buy and sell, take profits signal. Like whenever I buy any coin out there, I share with you. Whenever I take out profit, I share with you, and I can even analyze your own coins. And guys, we are running out of time, because from January I'm gonna upgrade the price of my VIP from $50 and above. So now, if say you want to join my VIP, you're gonna pay only $20, to be part of my VIP. And if you're someone who want to take the complete education, you want to study TA, you want to understand market sentiment, why the market moves the way it moves, why I say buy this, don't buy this, how I go about analyzing the market, then make sure you join my crypto education for beginners session. There, I take you one on one, and I explain you what happens when the market pump and what happens when the market dump, and when you can get in, buy, and take whatever risks you want to take, knowing that you are at least secure. So I'm going to help you do just that. If say you be part of my complete beginner session, I do one-on-one. So all the links are found below this video. But let's dive into what I got for you guys today: Baby Dogecoin and Floki Inu. Now, I want to begin with this bad boy, Baby Dogecoin. Let's see what is going on here. Most of you who have been on this platform, you are familiar with this chart. I mentioned that Baby Dogecoin has been doing this pump, dump. Remember, in the past, we saw how Baby Dogecoin pump and dump back immediately, pump, dump back immediately, pump, dump back immediately, pump, dump back immediately, and again pump, dump back immediately. Now we are at a zone where I believe we are not gonna go cross below again. We are not gonna dump like crazy. If we have to compare to previous data, I think where we are right now, the market makers are building contracts to take price to the next level. What I mean by the next level is the all-time high. The next all-time high, you can wake up someday and see this bad boy get to 1 billion cap. And 1 billion cap is that cap that, if say any meme coin or any coin get to, it can really boost that coin to get to 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion, 10 billion. And can this bad boy, can this coin get to that cap, that you would like say maybe this is gonna be a cap that can make me really good profit. Let's say you are investing in this coin right now, and maybe you want to 10x your investment, and you're asking yourself, can this coin actually do that for you? Of course, this coin can do that for you. But the only problem in the past that I think this coin had is just the fact that it was pumping and dumping, pumping and dumping. And if say you understood TA, you would have been cashing out profit as the coin pump, and when it dumps, you cash out more profit. But again, guys, this doesn't mean that the coin is a bad coin. This is just how investors or traders who invest in this coin, this is how they play around with the chart. This is how they play around with the coin. The community is so big. They have so much engagement on social media. Most of their platforms, they have over 100,000 followers. So this is really a community that is strong. So I think the coin is going to be here for some time. And those of you who really want to take advantage of this coin, you should learn TA, learn technical analysis. And if say you want to learn TA, I can teach you. I teach TA in my complete beginner session. And by the way, my complete beginner session for now is cheap, because I just want everyone to get in this year. From next year, it's gonna be expensive because I'm doing so much work. I'm bringing so much tools that I want to help you guys get to the next level. And if say you are interested, go below this video at the description of this video. Find my link tree. You're gonna click on the link that says join the Beton Crypto Education for Beginners. Click on this link, and if say you want to be part of the VIP, the second link is the VIP link. So go there and register, join this VIP community so that you can be ahead of the curve. You're gonna make decisions that will help you make money long term. Remember, we are in this industry long term. So if say you are here short term, it's up to you to decide whether you want to build life-changing gains or wealth in this industry from now on to the next 10 years, or you are just here like a thief trying to get in small, tiny profit and run away, to wherever I don't know where it is. But if say you want to build something really sustainable from this industry, then you need these skills, and I can help you with all of this. So just hop right now and be part of my community. So this chart, like guys, I love TA because TA help me to understand what investors are doing or what they are thinking. And when you see these key levels that I drawn, these are behaviors of investors. This is what they do when prices get to certain key levels. So if I understand how investors behave, what they are looking at before they invest, I can easily make decisions ahead of the time, so that when price get to those areas, I'm always going to be able to decide whether I'm going to take out profit here, or I want to wait to buy more again and wait for the next key level. So all of this is very important. And Baby Dogecoin is really one of those coins that I think can really do well because of their communities. They have amazing product that they offer to the crypto community, to the world at large. So if say you really want to invest in the coin long term, I think you should go and look at some fundamentals of the coin. I've created videos about that already. Go on my channel and just search on Baby Dogecoin. You're gonna see a lot of videos about this bad boy that I've created, and you can learn more about their ecosystem, about their product, what they offer, to see whether they have a chance to survive in this industry. So that's what I am looking at for Baby Dogecoin. I think there's so much that is gonna happen in no time. Or we're seeing some retracement right now in the market. And yeah, it's very normal to see that the coin is holding at these key levels. We want it to hold at key levels. So that's that for Baby Dogecoin. Let's get to this bad boy, Floki Inu. Now, if you are familiar with this chart of Floki Inu, then yeah, it means you have been part of my platform for a long time now. And after we saw this huge pump to the upside with Floki Inu, I knew that most definitely we're gonna see some sort of pullback, but I didn't know exactly when or where this pullback is gonna take place. But I do know that this pullback have certain ranges that is gonna hold if say it respects here, and these ranges held for multiple times. And whenever I saw this movement, yeah, I saw that price was rejecting these key areas. I automatically knew that they are planning or building contract to pump price to the next level. And the way I trade is so simple, it's so understandable. I look at these indicators to help me to mark the areas where I can take out profit. I don't need to go and start bringing the Fibonacci tool. Yeah, I just want to plug in an indicator that tells me what. And before I came about saying to myself that I'm going to cash out profit, yeah, it's because I've compared it with the Fibonacci tool, the other tools that I use to see that this one indicator alone, the alpha trend, can plug me an area where I'm going to cash out profit. And I told you guys who are investing in Floki, that cash out profit when you see price get to this alpha trend, and price did get there, and we saw pullback. And what happened when we saw the pullback? Immediately we saw buyback again. Guys, let me tell you something when it comes to TA. TA is all about structure. If you understand market structure and see how you can apply it to any coin out there, trust me, you are always going to be profitable in the market. Let me not say always, let me say most of the time, because always is like an overstatement. Not everyone is always. I think most people are profitable, but not always profitable, right? There are times that you are not profitable, but it doesn't mean that it blow your account. What it means is when you understand TA, you can easily get out from any trade, any bad trade, any bad trend, and so on. So you have to understand that the trend is your friend. If you understand following the trend, then you are always going to be among those who make profit every now and then. Now, when it comes to market structure, what you understand is when price move, it moves in ranges. And if you understand which range the price is at that point in time, then you will understand what price might do the next range. Now, in this case, when price was moving around this area, this was sideways. We call this consolidation, right? So price was moving sideways. And when price moves sideways, the market makers build contract up and down, preparing to take the market towards the key areas where they want to take price to. In this case, I knew this was an uptrend, and I saw this pullback here, and I saw another uptrend, and I saw another pullback, and my alpha trend gave me signals, different signal buy and sell, and at the same time, I was seeing key levels being respected at the bottom here. So it means that this was a floor support zone that they were creating here at this point in time. And I told myself, wow, maybe they're gonna take price to the next side. And when I saw price at this bottom here, when the price came around this zone, I bought it. And buying it knowing that if say they break structure, the target is gonna be this sell where the alpha trend pointed this sell signal. And where was the structure? This is the structure that price break. You can see here, I marked it a long time ago. And when price break it, what happened afterward? Price came and retest it. Okay, so you can consider the structure from here. This is going to be the area that price is going to retrace to after price break structure. In this case, we saw how price retraced back there. This is the area that price retraced back. You can see. And now, what I should expect is for price to go and make higher highs. And if price is not able to go and make higher highs, then we might target the previous structure, which is around this area here. Guys, when price move and create zones behind support resistance. That's how price move. Price always have zones that it stop, either be it support or resistance, and there it take a breather, and from there it can go to the next level. So looking at Floki Inu at this point in time, I would say we are still in an uptrend looking at the daily time frame. We haven't broken structure. Instead, we are trying to find the next support around this area. You can see in the past we saw how this candle came here, it reject, this one will reject. Now let's see what will happen the next candle, the third candle. If it reject and start moving sideways, then it might be similar to what happened previously here, and then you can now say maybe you can DCA more, add more into your Floki Inu bag. Guys, that's how simple it is when it comes to tea. Now looking at this other chart of Floki Inu on Dex Screener, I will say that this coin is just perfect where it is right now against Ethereum. Now, this chart shows that Floki Inu is either going to be doing well against Ethereum or against Ethereum. In this case, I think Floki Inu is doing well against Ethereum. The red candle is Ethereum, while the green candle is Floki Inu. So take it like that. And when you start seeing key levels like what happened back then, this was the same key levels here when price was moving sideways. If I go to the daily time frame, you're gonna see this even more clearer. And this is awesome because you can go to multiple time frame and see what price is doing. You can see here the same chart I showed you guys that back then. This is it here. You can see that price was moving here sideways, meaning you were not making no Ethereum, no Floki in it, but immediately price break above, you made more Ethereum and you would have cashed out here back to the actual Ethereum and you would have been up in your Ethereum. So you can use Floki to make more Ethereum. That's the beauty of cryptocurrency, that if say you know what you're doing, you're gonna be always doing the right thing every now and then to make some quick gains for yourself. Guys, I did all of this analysis by going through market structure, going through support and resistance, and looking at some of my indicators that have real importance in the way I go about my TA. So the question now to you is, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna take this serious? Are you gonna be that person who is gonna look at key levels, who wanna learn how this works? You wanna take this serious? Then make sure you be part of my VIP group. Make sure you also be part of my complete crypto for beginners education session, where I take you one on one to help you understand what is market structure, how to plug in support and resistance, how to identify when the market is in an uptrend, when to see or when to consider the market as being reversing back to where price started. Because when the market moves, it always reverses, and when it dump, it always reverses back as well. We call that pullback. So if say you're that person who want to take your trading to the next level, you want to take your investment to the next level, then I'm going to recommend you be part of my complete beginners session, where I take you from basics to hero. I take you to that point where when you look at the chart, you will say, wow, oh boy, this is it. This is what I've been looking for. And guys, trust me, I'm going to help you get there. And if say you haven't yet subscribed to my platform, then why after getting all this value, you haven't even like, subscribe, or even comment and let me know how valuable this content was? Then I don't know why you still here. Of course, I know you're gonna do just that. So hit that like button. Tell me whether this content was helpful to you. If you want to take it to the next level, then you know what to do. But the most important thing is you do subscribe, like, and share this content with someone else out there. Having said all this good stuff, see you in the next video. Ciao. Bye bye.